If your Photopea PSD file is not loading, freezing, or just refusing to open, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get your file open without wasting time. This is especially helpful if your PSD is large, complex, or was created in another app. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. First, let's start with the safest way to open the file. Instead of dragging and dropping the PSD directly into the browser window, open Photopea and use File, then open from the top menu. You can also use Command and O on Mac or Control and O on Windows, then choose the PSD directly from your local drive. Dragging large files into the browser can sometimes cause timeout issues, so this method is much more reliable. If the file still won't load, the next thing to try is opening Photopea in an incognito or private window. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, can interfere with how Photopea reads local files and handles scripts. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. Then go to photopea.com and try opening the PSDs again. If it works there, the problem is likely one of your extensions. Another common reason Photopea struggles to load a PSD is memory limits in the browser. If your file has hundreds of layers, large smart objects, or very high resolution, your browser tab may run out of RAM. To fix that, close any other open tabs you don't need. If you're using Chrome or Edge, you can press Shift and Escape to open the browser task manager and end any heavy processes taking up too much memory. This can make a big difference when working with large design files. Now let's look at a very useful fix for files with advanced features. If your PSD contains complex 3D objects, heavy smart objects, or high bit depth layers, the issue may be related to WebGL or GPU limits. Open a fresh Photopea tab, go to More, and turn off Use WebGL. Then go back to File and open your PSD again. Disabling WebGL can help Photopea load files more smoothly on systems where the graphics processing is causing problems. If none of those steps work, your PSD itself may be the issue. Sometimes files are saved with corrupt layer masks or features that Photopea does not handle perfectly. In that case, try opening the PD in another editor like Photoshop, Krita, or GIMP, then resave it with maximum compatibility enabled. That can repair the file structure and make it much easier for Photopea to open correctly. So to quickly recap, if Photopea is not loading your PSD, try opening it through File and Open, test in an incognito window, free up your browser memory, disable WebGL, and if needed, repair the file in another editor and save it again. One of these fixes usually solves the problem. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.